All right, let's try another one here. You see what we have before us. First thing we want to do is let's put that in the long division algorithm form. So it's 3x minus 2 divided into, I need to rearrange those from terms highest to lowest, so x cubed is my highest term, minus x squared, minus 5x, plus a 4. Looking at how many times is 3x, or 3x times what goes into 6x cubed? And that's going to be a 2x squared. And I'm going to line that up on the x squared column, so 2x squared. To find out what comes down here, 2x squared times 3x is a 6x cubed. 2x squared times minus 2 gives me a negative 4x squared. Now I'm going to subtract this entire term from the one above it. So 6x cubed minus 6x is a 0. Minus 6x minus a minus 4x squared produces a positive 3x squared. This is where it gets tricky, is when we're remembering that we're subtracting a negative. And how do we subtract a negative? We add its opposite. That's going to trip us up a couple times. You're going to get done with a problem and find out you made a mistake, and this is where the mistake happened at. So really try to understand why a mistake could occur here and how to prevent it. Next term, 3x times what makes a 3x squared? Oh, hold on. Let me drop down this negative 5x. All right, 3x times what makes a 3x squared? That would be a x, I believe, a positive x. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times a minus 2 is a minus 2x. Again, I'm subtracting these entire terms. So 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. Minus 5x minus a negative 2x makes that a negative 3x. Drop down the plus 4. 3x times what makes a negative 3x? That would be a negative 1. So negative 1 times 3x is a negative 3x. Negative 1 times a negative 2 is a positive 2. Subtract that entire term from the term above it, and that leaves with a remainder of 2. So there's my solution. Now let's kind of write out the solution to see exactly what we have. We have 2x squared plus x minus 1 plus a remainder. So when we have a remainder, we need to write it as a remainder over what we were dividing to begin with. So that would be my complete result to this particular division problem using our long division method. 2x squared plus x minus 1 plus 2 parts remainder of 3x minus 2.